The average American walks 3,000 to 4,000 steps a day, or roughly 1.5 to 2 miles. But for workers in the construction industry, that number could be higher. Standing and walking for long periods can lead to tired and accident-prone feet. Not only that, there is a huge list of the possible foot or leg injuries that can happen in the least time you expect it, from falling or rolling objects to crushing or penetrating materials. Every builder must wear a protective footwear. That's why the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, requires employers to provide foot protection to employees whose work involves exposure to the following hazards: hot substances and electrical hazards, slippery or wet surfaces, a workplace with sharp objects like nails or spikes, working on tools such as tampers or jackhammers, working with heavy objects such as barrels or tools that might roll onto or fall on an employee's feet, and washing, pouring, or spraying chemicals. Many kinds of shoes exist that could make construction workers safe, and it's the employer's duty to pick the right one for every employee. So how do you properly choose the right shoes? Let me walk you right through it. Before choosing the right shoes, you must first assess potential foot hazards such as explosives or discharge, sharp and falling objects, extreme temperature, is there an exposure to water, electricity, or chemicals, and uneven ground. Workplace footwear comes in a variety of forms, from different types of boots to non-shoe protection. OSHA provides a list of types of foot protection and boots for the workplace. The most common protective footwear is boots with metatarsal guards strapped outside your shoes that protect you against crushing and other impacts. Other boots have heat-resistant soles that can insulate your feet from extreme heat and molten metal. There are also boots that have puncture-resistant and metal insoles that can protect you from sharp objects. If you're working near explosive manufacturing facilities or grain elevators, you must wear an electrically conductive boot to reduce the risk of static electricity buildup on the body that could produce a spark and possibly cause an explosion or fire. Non-conductive boots, on the other hand, is designed to prevent builders' feet from electric shock. There are also slip-resistant boots, which have special soles that provide traction on wet or oily floors. And waterproof and water-resistant boots that can help keep builders' feet dry when working in wet conditions. When choosing new protective footwear for your job, never trust your instincts about your foot size. Modern safety shoes protect the builder's feet without stressing them, so make sure they're the right fit. Your feet swell throughout the day. That's why it's best to get them measured at the end of the day when your feet are the largest. Choosing the right safety footwear is crucial, but knowing when to replace them is also important. It is because damaged safety shoes can increase your risk of injury. The best thing you can do is to inspect the footwear you use at work. Here are some things you should keep in your checklist: cracked, damaged, or deteriorating midsoles, ripped, frayed, or damaged leather or fabric, cracks or holes on any part of the footwear, worn tread and reduced traction on the outsole, damaged, ripped, or worn insole, water seepage inside the footwear, and if the soles are starting to separate from the footwear. Of course, it's not just the feet. You should also take care of your legs. Here are some types of leg protection your employer should consider buying. Leg guards. These PPE are designed to cover the knee, shin, and top of the foot of the builder from impact or abrasions. Leggings. Use these to protect the lower legs and feet from heat hazards like molten metal or welding sparks. Waders. Waterproof protection for the feet up to the legs and lower torso. Chaps. Sturdy coverings for the legs composed of leggings and a belt. They provide protection to upper and lower legs, which are usually for task-specific use only, such as chainsaw chaps and welding chaps. Whatever safety footwear you are using, it should not have cracks and holes, must be the right fit, and broken soles or laces before putting it on. Don't tiptoe on its importance. Make sure every single day you go to work fully equipped with safety footwear and you follow the proper guidelines in choosing the right pair of shoes to wear.